आदरणीय अध्यापकगण और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, मैं प्रत्युष सिंह हूँ। आज मैं हिंदी सप्ताह के उपलक्ष्य पर एक कविता बताने जा रहा हूँ, जिसके कवि हैं प्रकाश कनु जी, और कविता का नाम है सोने जैसे दिन हैं इसके। छोटे मुंह से कैसे कह दूं इस भारत की बात तेरे, सोने जैसे दिन है इसके, चांदी जैसी रात रे, उजला मुकुट हिमालय इसका और नदियों की माला है। पदवंदन करता श्रद्धा से नील सिंधु मतवाला है, अनुपम सुंदरता ने दी है सारे जग को मात रे। एक बगीचा देश हमारा, फूल अनेकों खिले यहाँ, रूप रंग अलग अलग रूप रंग पर सभी प्रेम से मिले यहाँ। पतझड़ में भी मुस्कुराते हैं इस उपवन की पात्रे, रंग बिरंगे पक्षी आकर गाते जागृति का गाना, नहीं किसी का हृदय दुखाते, खाते मेहनत का खाना। नीले नभ से होती है नित अमृत की बरसात रे, सच्चाई का यह आराधक शांति प्रेम ही नारा है, हिंसा का काले फन वाला नाग इसी से हारा है। इसके माथे लिखी हुई है खुशियों की सौगात रे। भारत माता की जय। धन्यवाद।
Good morning everyone, my name is Revant. I am studying in 4B. My house is Rockies. Today I am going to tell a speech on India Gate. What is India Gate? India Gate is a war memorial in the capital city, New Delhi. It has the names of the many soldiers who sacrificed their lives in the Third Anglo-Afghan War. There is a black marble plinth with a reversed rifle capped with a war helmet bound by 4 eternal flames. This structure is called Amar Jawan Jyoti, or the flame of the immortal soldier. Who designed it? The India Gate is designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens, the great architect who also designed the Indian Parliament and the Rashtrapati Bhavan. He was an English architect known for imaginatively adapting traditional architectural styles to the requirements of his era. He designed many English country houses, war memorials, and public buildings. Who are commemorated on the India Gate? The Deccan Horse, 3rd Sappers and Miners, 6th Jad Light Infantry, 34th Sikh Pioneers, 39th Garha Rifles, 59th Skinned Rifles Frontier Force, 117th Maharathas, and 5th Gurkha Rifles Frontier Force were honored with the title of Royal in recognition of the distinguished services and gallantry of the British Indian Army during the Great War. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Good morning everyone, my name is Geeta. I'm studying in 4th grade section B. We got our independence on 15th August 1947. So today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. So today I'm going to discuss about one of the historical monuments where Independence Day is celebrated. That is Golconda Fort. And how Independence Day is celebrated there. Every year, Independence Day is celebrated with various events like flag hoisting and parades. Every year, Independence Day is celebrated at some historical monuments, that is Fatehpur Sikri, Bhubaneswar Temple, Red Fort, Gwalior Fort, Golconda Fort and Charminar. As I said, Golconda Fort is one of the historical monument, and today we're going to discuss about it. It is located in Telangana state and Hyderabad city. This is Golconda Fort, and this is Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, who was the founder of Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort was carved out of granite rock, and it was also renowned for its beautiful diamonds. Every year Independence Day is celebrated at Golconda Fort with special events like flag hoisting and other events. As now here we can see, this is our CM Chandrasekhar Rao, who is hoisting our national flag. I would like to wish Happy Independence Day to all of you, and thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sudhita. I am studying in class 4B. Today I am going to tell about our historical monument, Red Fort. This is our Red Fort. The Red Fort is a historic fort in the city of Delhi in India that served as the main residence of the Mughal emperors. Emperor Shah Jahan constructed the Red Fort on 12 May 1638. Originally red and white, its design is credited to architect Ustad Ahmed Lahori. The fort was known for its artwork and jewels. On 15th August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, raised the Indian flag above the Lahori Gate. Every year on India's Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the Indian tricolour flag at the fort's main gate and delivers a nationally broadcast speech. Thank you.
This is fruit salad. And this is veg salad. This is sandwich. This is sweet. This is lollipop. At last, this is juice. Now it's time to salute our food items because it's our national flag's color. Jai Hind!
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे